Well, welcome to Fun Time Travel. So we love cruising. We're sure you do too. But it just seems like right now the cost of everything is going up, and so we're always looking for a way to save a few bucks. And again, I'm sure you are too. So today we're going to show you a couple of ways that we use to save really up to like 10% on nearly all of our cruises. We've also got a kind of a quick fun tip we'll show you at the end too. So let's get into all that right after this. All right, today we're going to show you two websites that we highly recommend. And just to kind of qualify it, we're a little bit cautious when it comes to using websites that we've never heard of. So we totally understand that you might have some reservations. Now, we've used both of these websites extensively, and we know people that have used them even longer than we have, so we're pretty comfortable recommending them. And stick around to the end to learn about getting onboard credit for owning stock.
Well, we found that you can get as much as 10% off, and that can really add up.
Yeah.
You can use gift cards to pay for your cruise fare, to pre-purchase drinks, or your drink packages and your Wi-Fi packages, to pay for spa treatments, even add to your onboard credit. And depending on your cabin price, these gift cards can save you up to like $300, $500, or even more.
Yeah, it just depends on how much you use for your cruise, because to be honest with you, you can use these gift cards to pay for pretty much everything.
Well, the first website is Allstate Rewards. And we've recommended this one to a number of people, and we always get the same response. I don't use Allstate for my insurance, but the good news is you don't have to.
We don't use it either.
Yeah, you don't have to. So we don't understand how they make money from this site, but we gladly take the discounts anyways. We don't care. But on this one, you have to earn points on the site. But we're going to show you a great trick for earning points pretty quickly.
Once you're on the site, on the Allstate Rewards site, you're going to navigate yourself to the Use My Points section. And then you just click on gift cards. Don't select travel from the drop down. For some reason, it just doesn't work real well that way. So when you get to the next page here, you're going to click View All. And like I say, I don't really understand why, but just click the gift cards, then click the View All, and it'll take you to the page where you'll scroll through and you'll be able to find very quickly the different cruise gift cards. Now, you can get 10% right now. You can get 10% off of Carnival, 10% off Celebrity, 10% off Royal Caribbean. And the thing is, these gift cards, they tend to change based on availability. Sometimes you can get them as an e-gift card instead of a physical gift card, which is great. Now, when you order up the physical gift card and they send it to your house, typically you pay like 75 cents or something for shipping. So keep that in mind. So, that cuts into your savings. But when you're buying a $1,000 gift card for $900,
75 cents is worth it.
Yeah. All right, so you can use the Allstate DriveWise app to gain points by driving well or safely or whatever, and it'll slowly build up points, or depending on your driving skills, not build up points at all. But the good news is there's some tricks and things that we use to build up points really fast. And so here's a website you can go to build up your points.
And it's Cruise Critic. And there's a great message thread in the Cruise Critic forums where you can find codes to punch in to get lots of points quickly. And we put a link to both the Allstate Rewards page and the Cruise Critic message board in the description below. Excuse me. We always go to the last message in the thread and use that code first, and then you work your way backwards.
Right. So then once you get one of these promo codes, you go back to the Allstate Rewards page. We'll have both pages open at the same time, so then you can just kind of go back and forth. And you go into the Allstate Rewards card, click in the promo code box at the top of the screen, and you just enter that promo code there. It's really easy to build up a lot of points fast using this trick. You'll get 1,000 points, 2,000 points, sometimes 10,000 points in one shot. And so, we've done it for years. It's a really, really handy tool, and it saves us a lot of money. But just don't forget, this site doesn't always have all of the gift cards that you're looking for all the time. It's based on availability, and so you just got to be persistent. Go back, watch for your favorite card to come up, or whatever cruise line you're going on. They typically have Royal Caribbean. They typically have Carnival. So as we record this right now, they have Celebrity, Carnival, and Royal Caribbean cards on the site. But like I say, the inventory kind of changes.
Good thing though, almost always, like if we've gone on to buy one and it wasn't available within a day, maybe 2 at the most.
Yeah, 2 or 3 days, maybe a
And
week.
then,
It's typically there. And then if you order them by mail, they take about 7 days to get to your house. Obviously, if it's an e-gift card, they're available, well, immediately. So, and on that note, they have a ton of gift cards from other companies too. So it might be a way to save money during this time of inflation or whatever. Maybe you can make up the difference. So if you're enjoying this video at all, would you like this video, subscribe to our channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. You know, we're always doing news updates, cruise news updates, and we're doing, you know, tips and tricks videos like this, and we don't want you to miss any of them. They help our channel so much, and we really appreciate it. So thanks in advance.
Well, another site that we've recently started using is Raise, and they don't have as big of a discount, but they always seem to have a bunch of gift cards available, so it's kind of a trade-off. Plus, if you watch, they often have discount codes for new users. And currently right now, they're offering a 15% off for new users. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, and their gift cards tend to all be e-gift cards. So maybe you can't wait that week for a physical gift card through Allstate Rewards. So you trade out the 10%, maybe you can get, you know, 7 or 8% off, and you can get it immediately because, you know, you've got a last minute cruise coming up, you found a deal, whatever. So if you use the referral link in the description below, you'll get $5 added to your account there just for joining. Now, as a disclaimer, if you join using that link, we'll get $5 too, but you can use that referral code to get $5 if you share it on Facebook or whatever. So it pays off in the long run. Now, we found Carnival, Royal Caribbean, Holland America Line, Celebrity, and Princess cards here, as well as tons and tons of other gift cards on there as well. Now, the easiest way to find your favorite cruise line is to simply type them into the search box and hit enter. Now, the discounts range from 10% down to just 3% off. So, you know, you've got to decide if it's worth it to use or mess with. But boy, for 10% off, I'll take it.
And there are 2 different ways to save money on Raise. You can buy a gift card at a discounted price, like you were talking about, or you can buy a gift card at face value and get cash back. And you simply purchase it as a gift card that you're going to be sending to someone else, but you send it to yourself.
Right, yeah. The thing is, when you do the purchase and send to somebody else, you get a little bit like a higher percentage in cash back than you do if you buy a discounted card. But, you know, you got to decide whatever works for you. We've only done the discounted price. If you know you're going to go back there often, it's probably going to be worth it to do the full price and get the cash back. But, you know, you got to decide what's best for you.
So another tip and a way to get some onboard credit is if you have stock in one of your favorite cruise lines. And the amount varies by cruise length, but it usually requires you to own 100 shares of the stock in the company. And you can normally get about $100 credit per cabin, and that's on a 7-day cruise.
Right, it depends. You know, shorter cruise, you might get a little less, but each cruise line is a little bit different. Now, you got to buy regular stock, and then you have to apply for the credit through the cruise line. Each cruise line is a little bit different about how they go on it, so you're going to have to talk to your cruise line directly. And, you know, just want to qualify this. Buying stock is always a risky thing. Right now, you can actually get a pretty good deal on stock because everything's so depressed, but again,
there's still risk.
There's risk involved with that, and this is not, you know, I'm not telling you how to invest your money, but it's worked out well for us over the years. So just a little tip for you.
Well, these 2 websites have saved us a ton of money on our cruises, and we continue to use them and will continue to use them. And we just wanted to pass these tips on to our fun fam here at Fun Time Travel, and we hope that it helps you.
So maybe you've got a money-saving tip that you'd like to pass on. We'd love to hear it. Share it with us in the comments below. Tell us your favorite tip. Maybe there's another site out there that you use for gift cards or whatever that saves you know, the same amount of money or more. We'd love to throw that into our little bag of tricks.
And use it ourselves.
Yeah. So, hey, that's it for today. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.